Hello, I'm Tyler Polier, National Sales Manager for Construction Attachments, and we're introducing today the new Grass Assassin. This is a 72-inch grass cutter, one of two new additions to the brush cutter line we're introducing this year. This cutter offers a 72-inch true cut. It is rotating 3 bush hog style 24-inch high lift blades. It's got rear side discharge for your grass clippings to keep them out of the way and give a more finished cut. We did team up with Bison Cooler for the farmers out there that get thirsty on the job. Every Grass Assassin does come equipped with a Bison Cooler manufactured in Texas. This cutter comes equipped with a 63cc Hydra-Duke motor. Case drain is required. You'll see speeds on this cutter anywhere from 18,000 to 22,000 rotations per minute. You will notice a round front push bar. This one is designed for grass, guys. You know, you got an open cab tractor, you want to get in the AC, the skid steer mows just a little quicker, use the Grass Assassin.